Cuisinart MCP-12N Multiclad Pro Stainless Steel 12-piece cookware set. Polished cooking surface does not discolor, react with food or alter flavors. Cookware also features cool grip handles secured with stainless steel rivets and self-basting, tight-fitting lids. Triple ply construction includes the unsurpassed heat conductivity of a pure aluminum core. It ensures maximum heat retention and even heat distribution, eliminating hot spots. Oven safe up to 550 F. Rims are tapered for drip-free pouring. Dishwasher safe, tight-fitting stainless steel covers seal in food's natural juices and nutrients for healthier, more flavorful results. Covers are dishwasher safe. 12-piece cookware set. The set consists of 1.5 and 3-quart covered saucepans, 8 and 10-inch open skillets, 3.5-quart covered saute pan, 8-quart covered stockpot, steamer insert with lid. 12 pieces total. Professional Triple Ply Construction features a core of pure aluminum and a brushed stainless exterior. Suitable for use with induction cooktops. Drip-free pouring rim tight-fitting cover seals in moisture and nutrients for healthier, more flavorful results every time you cook.